It's about 5 a.m. and we're going to jump on the day to do this subtract manufacturing job. The material that we're going to be using is this iron rod, 99.6% pure, and it's 1.5 round stock, 1-inch cuts. And we got about 8 of these to make. Alright guys, we burned the part, came off the saw. Okay, we'll load up in here. We have our soft jaws made. Alright, now we are switching over to the Frasia 2-blade 2-flute ball. I love this ball. This thing's awesome. This thing just jams. Check this out. We're going 185 inches a minute, 8,000 RPM. Okay, we dropped down the middle and now we're coming out doing the velocity stack looking feature. With the Haas TC cutter, putting in the 4 notches on each side. All right, here we go, up 2. That looks pretty awesome. Amazing surface finishes. Now all we have to do is inspect it. Perfect. Alright, so the first part totally checks out. Now we just gotta run the other 7 and we're good to go.